Telegram channel ready to level up? Telegram just dropped a game-changing update with tools to make creators' lives easier and more profitable. From collaborative checklists to monetized posts, GadInsider has the full scoop. Stick around to learn how to supercharge your channel. Hey GadInsider crew, welcome back to your tech tip headquarters. Today we're diving into Telegram's latest update, announced on July 4, 2025, packed with features for creators. Whether you're running a channel or just love Telegram, these tools will blow your mind. Let's jump in. Telegram's got over 1 billion users and it's not slowing down. This update is all about empowering creators with tools to manage tasks and make money right in the app. Say goodbye to external platforms and hello to seamless productivity and monetization. Let's break down the 3 big features: collaborative checklists, suggested posts, and new ways to earn. First up, collaborative checklists, exclusive for Telegram Premium users. These are perfect for managing group projects, grocery lists, or personal tasks. Here's how it works. First, open any chat, group, one-on-one, or even saved messages. Then tap the attachment menu and select checklist. Create your list and set permissions to control who can check off lists or add new ones. It's real-time, interactive, and keeps everyone on the same page. Perfect for teams or just organizing your life. Next, suggested posts. Now subscribers can pitch content to your channel like fan art, product reviews, or promo videos. You review, edit, or schedule them for later. It's a transparent system that boosts engagement and lets your community shine. Plus, creators can negotiate post details before publishing. This is crowdsourcing done right, all within Telegram. Now, the juicy part, monetization. Suggested posts come with built-in earning tools. Subscribers can offer Telegram stars or Toncoin to get their posts featured. Stars can be bought via Fragment or PremiumBot, but heads up, Toncoin payments are non-refundable, making them a safer bet for creators. This means you can earn from affiliate promos or crowdsource content without leaving Telegram. Talk about a win! These features make Telegram a creator's dream. Task management, community engagement, and cash flow all in one app. Pro tip: use checklists to plan your channel's content schedule for max efficiency. Loving these Telegram updates? Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more creator-focused tech tips.